Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also click bell icon to get my
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to design two different type of springs, square and round. Okay, let's start. Go to curve and select helix. In this window we are going to change here 50 mm and here 10 mm. Okay, it looks like this. Click on OK. Then go to sketch, select this XY plane and this is the center point. Draw the rectangle. Pick the point and draw the rectangle the size of 7 into 4. Okay, then go to surface and swept. Select this square and guide curve is the spring curve. Now what you have to do is here I am changing this. Select the direction. Okay, click on OK. We got the spring, square spring. I'm going to change color. Next what I will do is I make flatness at both side end of the spring. For that I am going to draw a rectangle. Go to sketch and select this plane and make a rectangle. Okay, same we have to draw here bottom side. Go to extrude and subtract the portion, this end of the portion of spring. We have to make like this, then only we can use okay. I'm going to shift this 500 mm and I'm going to delete this. Now I'm going to tube. I give like this. Same, I'm going to trim my end of the spring. Okay guys, this is very easy and simple. Subscribe my channel to get latest video, and ask your doubts, and also suggest if any your ideas. I will get more interest to upload video. Thank you guys.